Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to check recent activity on Google Home. The Google Home app provides a centralized location to monitor events detected by your smart devices, such as Nest cameras, speakers, and other connected gadgets. So open the Google Home app on your Android or iOS device. And once you do that, go ahead and tap on the activity icon at the bottom corner represented by a clock or list icon. So here you'll see a chronological list of events, including motion or sound detections from Nest cameras, network issues identified by Nest Wi-Fi, reminders, and suggestions related to your devices. So no events recorded, no events recorded. I've not recorded any devices or I've not recorded events, but if you have recorded events, all your activities will definitely be shown here. So go ahead and tap the filter option at the top to narrow down events by device, date, or event type. So you can click on this, then you can narrow down your events by date. All right, go the way back. So just filter it by the exact date and date, that date, and that's just gonna work. Now to remove filters and view all events, you can tap the filter again and select clear all, then tap show results. So while you can dismiss events from this list, they will still appear in your home history. I don't have an event to show, so that's why I cannot find anything here. Now, for a more detailed history of your interactions with Google Assistant, including voice commands and searches, you can access Google My Activity. So navigate to myactivity.google.com on your browser and sign in with your Google account. That's a different process. All right, so click on the filter by date and product option and select Assistant to view activities related to Google Assistant. Then apply any additional filters as needed and click Apply. To delete specific entries, click on the three dots menu next to the activity and select Delete. To manage what data is saved, you can visit your activity controls and adjust settings for web and app activity, including voice recordings. Ensure that web and app activity is enabled to record and view your assistant interactions. All right, so go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.